Good afternoon. My name is Kiran. My mother name is Nirmala. Actually, we are coming from Penia second stage. As we came to know about this Alleviate pain management through ads paper. So my mother was having severitic arthritis. So we had consulted Dr. Vikar Hamad. So he suggested for plasma therapy, and it was very well. She was having a literally completed 70% pain is over. She don't have a pain of 70%. After that, we had consulted for dietitian. So she is very well concerned, and also she has prescribed some dietitian. We had followed that. Earlier, my mom weight was 83 around, and now it has reduced for 77. Now there is no pain; it completely vanished, and still she has to reduce 3-4 kgs, and she is very well. And really wants to thanks for Alleviate and Puja ma'am doctor.